Where are we at? Do you know the name of the lake? Silver Lake. About as remote as it can be. In 2006, the dam burst and flooded the downstream dams. Made a mess. Right? It was an interesting drive here. Took about an hour and a half on the dirt roads. Half an hour from home on the paved road. 2 hours total. Boats are about ready. Do you know where we're going? We're going to see a waterfall. Do you remember the name of it? Wildcat Canyon Falls. And then we're going to do some fishing. I'm going to fly my drone. It's going to be the day, isn't it? Are we going to go see the dam on the stand-up paddleboard? The one that they fixed? We'll get some video of the road on the way back. It was interesting in spots. There were 2 creek crossings. If this is part of the falls, it's a lower part. And Wildcat Canyon Creek is not flowing very much. It's flowing more on the other side, I think. We need to get over there and see what that's like. But a nice big green mossy downhill slab. I am on the edge, aren't I? I think this is the lower part of Wildcat Canyon Falls. It's kind of interesting because it goes around along this rock slab, but there's a giant deep crevasse right there that ain't nothing going down, but it's flowing inside the cave, kind of like. And everything is very wet and slippery. That's cool. So here we are at Wildcat Canyon Falls. And down a long ways through the woods, and it gets we're right near the North Country Trail, so we're going to hike up and see if we can't find it. There's supposedly an upper falls. This might be it though. Not much more than a trickle on Wildcat Canyon Creek, but you can say we made it.
So we're at Wildcat Canyon Falls and going to fish, explore when we get back to the boats.
Well, that's Silver Lake out there.
We are heading the right way.
You're heading down, down, down.
Yes, this is
Quite a few feet to get down back to the boats at the lake. So we are at the, I guess it's kind of like a couple of campsites on Silver Lake here, in the Silver Lake Basin. We have put ashore at the end one, which seems to have its own little sandbar, which is kind of nice. It's one of the bigger ones. I think it's at the end of the road. We ended up going in at the first one, the first time we could see the lake. But we may have to come back here and do an overnight camping, paddleboard fishing trip. Michelle would love it, I think. Sandhill cranes flying. There's a great blue heron over there that was squawking. Oh, there it goes. Oh, yeah, that's a great blue heron. It's got the bent neck flying. Oh, they just landed in that tree.
Stand up.
You put the paddle up and down so you can kind of lean on it a little bit, like I showed you. You can do it.
No,
Come on, one more try. I want to see you get up.
I'm gonna try one time.
No nagging.
Don't.
All right, now put the paddle up. There you go. Look at that. Now paddle.
Did it.
But you were gonna come over here. I guess it don't matter.
1 second. Yeah, this is way harder. You have to stay still as hell.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
It takes a smidge amount of practice is all. And that's what you're doing right now. Look at you, you're going over grass.
Yeah, I'm totally going over that.
Kinda. You're pushing off on the ground.
How that circuit goes. I hate it.
You're doing great. Not so bad now, huh?
Now I got used to it.
I know that all it took you is what? I've got 3 minutes on the video. 3 minutes and you're kind of used to it. All right, go down before you fall down then.
Yeah, go down.
I always do that when I come into shore. I always go down on my knees before I come into as I'm coming into shore, because it'll toss you around. Yeah, the wind's picking up. Nice job, Michael Jack.
Sorry, we left Rocky Silver Lake, and it's a very rocky road. So,
And we're gonna record until we get across the creek. It's right there.
and then the creek is like really close. It's right here. It's coming up.
One of 2 creek crossings that we have.
We have to go to the left. Go to the left onto the river. It's a very rocky road.
To the river.
Through the river and out.
Awesome, yep. Well, here's the second creek crossing that we had.
It was all gravel road anyway.
Mm-hmm.
This is where we had to take off the front bumper because it
Oh, the
had its
front
last
little trim piece
trip, he said.
was junk.
Had his last day. Maybe.
Oh, you fucker.
What was that?
That was a little bit of a bounce.